Next point, that is placenta. So placenta is nothing but it is the connection between mother and fetus. So it is the discoidal structure of pregnant woman. So see here in the diagram, there is the development of embryo, that growth of the baby takes place, then placenta grows. Placenta is the connection between fetal tissue and maternal tissue. There are villi which are anchoring into the endometrium, then uterine wall, that cells tissues are developed into the uterine wall. Umbilical cord developed from the navel part of the baby, then intervillous space, then it forms the amnion. Outside the amnion there is chorion, then amniotic fluid is filled into the amnion. Then placenta is the temporary structural and functional connection between fetal and maternal circulation. आई आणि बाळ यांच्यामधलं कनेक्शन. Placenta facilitate to supply of oxygen and nutrients to the fetus. It also remove the CO2 and excretory wastes produced by the fetus. It attaches to the wall of uterus and to the baby's umbilical cord. Then placenta formed from two different individuals. It is the characteristic of placenta. It forms from two different individuals. That is, one is mother and another one is the fetus. Then fetus from the fetus placenta developed is known as the fetal placenta, which has chorionic villi. Here villi are developed. And another one is the maternal placenta. It is called hemochorial. Then umbilical cord. The umbilical cord has 3 blood vessels, 2 small arteries which supplies blood to the placenta, and 1 large vein which collect blood to the fetus. Then it acts as the endocrine tissue. Placenta is important for maintenance of pregnancy and it secretes a hormone. Though it is acts as an endocrine tissue, it secretes a hormone HCG, that means human chorionic gonadotropin, then progesterone and estrogen. Then HCG increases during the first trimester, that means first 3 months of the pregnancy, and then its secretion declines. At the end of first trimesters, progesterone produced by placenta. Then these hormones are required for fetal growth and also these are important for maintenance of pregnancy.